Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about Global Positioning System, that is GPS, with space, ground control and receiver segments with key applications. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the class. First of all, what is GPS? GPS, Global Positioning System, is a satellite-based radio navigation system that provides accurate positioning, navigation and timing, that means PNT, services to users anywhere on Earth, 24 hours a day under all weather conditions. Okay, this was owned by US Department of Defense, DoD. Operational since 1995, full capability and satellites 31 plus active satellites and accuracy 1 to 5 meter for civilians. Okay, GPS consists of three main segments: space segment, constellation of GPS satellite orbiting Earth; control segment, ground station that monitor and manage satellites; user segment, GPS receivers used by individuals and organizations. Space segment, satellite count at least 24, operational currently 31 plus, orbit type medium Earth orbit MEO, altitude approximately 20,200 km above Earth, orbital planes 6 orbital planes inclined at 55 degree, satellites and plane 4 satellites per plane minimum, orbital period 12 hours, 2 orbits per day, signal type radio signals L1 1575.42 MHz, L2 1227.6 MHz. Okay, GPS satellites transmit two carrier frequencies, L1 for civilian use SPS and L2 for military purposes PPS. Okay, GPS satellite signals and trilateration. Signal codes transmitted: CA code, course and acquisition code, civilian use SPS, standard positioning service 1 MHz separate. P code, precision code, military use PPS, precision positioning service 10 MHz separate. NAV message, navigation message, contains satellite orbit data, ephemeris and clock corrections and almanac. How GPS calculates position? GPS uses trilateration, not triangulation. Each satellite broadcasts its position and the exact time the signal was sent. Receiver calculates distance from Earth. Each satellite using distance is equal to speed of light divided by multiplied by time. With 3 satellites, position is narrowed to possible points. 4th satellite eliminates ambiguity and corrects receiver clock errors. Additional satellites improve accuracy. 6 to 8 satellites ideal for 3D fix. Okay, minimum 4 satellites needed for 3D position fix, latitude, longitude, altitude and time. These satellites give 2D fix only. Then control segment. The ground control segment monitors and manages the entire GPS satellite constellation. Master Control Station MCS, location Silver AFB, Colorado in primary and Colorado primary, Vanderburg AFB backup. Function: main brain of GPS, calculates satellite orbit corrections, clock corrections, uploads data to satellites. Monitor station: location Hawaii, Ascension Island, Diego Garcia, Guajalin, Colorado Springs, Cape Canaveral and more. Function: passive tracking stations that collect satellite signal data, atmospheric data and relay to MCS. Ground antenna stations, location Ascension Island, Diego Garcia, Guajalin, Sea River AAB. Function: upload corrected navigation data, FMS, clock to satellite through S-band radio signals. MCS at Silver AAB is the nerve center of GPS. It uploads navigation messages to satellites twice daily. User or receiver segment. GPS receivers are passive devices that only receive signals. They do not transmit. Any number of receivers can use GPS simultaneously. How is GPS receiver work? Antenna picks up satellite signals from 4 plus satellites. P amplifier boosts weak satellite signals. Signal processor decodes satellite ID, time, position and data. Microprocessor computes position through trilateration. Display with units: slow position, latitude and longitude, speed and time. Types of GPS receiver: handheld, personal, smartphones, hiking device, vehicular, car navigation, fleet tracking, aviation, aircraft navigation, marine, ship navigation, surveying, sub-centimeter geodetic receivers and military purposes. Okay, GPS receivers are passive, receive only. They need signals from at least 4 satellites from a complete 3D position fix including altitude. GPS 3 segments, comparative overview, features, space segment, control segment, and user segment. Components: GPS satellite in MEO orbit, MCS monitoring station, ground antennas, GPS receivers, handheld vehicle and survey. Number: 30 plus active satellites, 5 monitor stations, now expanded, millions of civilian and plus military receivers. Location: 20,200 km altitude, 6 orbital planes, Colorado, Hawaii, Ascension I, Diego Garcia, and Kwajalein, everywhere on Earth. Primary rule: transmit timing and position signals, monitor correct, upload data to satellites, receive signals, compute PNT solution. Transmit and receive: transmit L-band signals, both receive from satellites, uploads corrections, receives only passive. Frequency signal: L1 1575.42 MHz and L2 1227.6 MHz. S-band uplink for command upload, L-band L1 civil, L1 and L2 military purposes. Okay, GPS applications. GPS provide position, navigation, and training (PNT), timing (PNT) services across diverse sectors. Surveying and mapping, topographic surveys, cadastral mapping, GIS data collection, geodetic control networks. Aviation, aircraft navigation, instrument landing, air traffic control, runway approach, GBAS. Transport and navigation, turn-by-turn navigation, fleet and vehicle tracking, traffic management, railway guidance. Agriculture and precision farming, field boundary mapping, variable rate seeding, yearly monitoring, drone-based spraying. Marine navigation, ship positioning, harbor approach, search and rescue operations, oceanographic studies. Military and defense, troop navigation, guided missiles, weapons, target acquisition, battlefield management. Okay, GPS in surveying, GIS and environmental monitoring. Surveying and mapping, geodetic survey, GPS replaces traditional triangulated for establishing horizontal and vertical controls networks with cm level, centimeter level accuracy. Cadastral land surveys, boundary demarcation of land parcels, property records integrated with revenue settlement. Topographic surveys, mapping terrain, elevation controls, GPS plus total station used in combination. GIS field data collection, GPS enabled mobile devices capture feature locations, routes, utilities, buildings for GIS database. Differential GPS (DGPS) uses a reference station to achieve sub-meter accuracy used by Survey of India for national mapping. Environmental and disaster application, wildlife tracking, GPS colors on animal track migration patterns, habitat use and behavioral ecology. Glacier and ice sheet monitoring, GPS benchmark take glacier treated rates and polar ice mass changes. Earthquake and tectonic studies, GPS networks measures crustal deformation, predict fault movements, geodetic GPS. Flood and cyclone management, real-time GPS tracking of storm management, flood accident mapping and relief coordination. Forestry and land use, GPS used for forest boundary delineation, illegal encroachment monitoring, and RE research and development plus program. Global GNSS systems and India's NAVIC. GNSS, Counter Agency, full name and satellites. GPS, US DO Defense of Department of Defense, DOD. Global Positioning System, 30 plus, 31 plus satellite. GLONASS, Global Russia, Roscosmos. Global Navigation Satellite System, 24. Galileo, European Union, ESA, Global Navigation, Galileo Navigation Satellite System, 30. Beidou, BDS, China, CNSA, Beidou Navigation Satellite System, 30 plus satellite. QZSS, Japan, JAXA, and Quasi-Zenith Satellite System, 7 satellite. And NAVIC, IRNSS, India, ISRO, Navigation with Indian Constellation, 8 satellite. Okay, India's NAVIC, IRNSS, key fact for UGC NET, developed by ISRO, provides positioning over India and 100,500 km beyond borders. Coverage area, entire India, neighboring countries, regional system. Constellation, 3 GEO, geostationary, and 5 GESO, geosynchronous, total 8 satellites. Accuracy, less than 20 meter for stand positioning and less than 10 meter for restricted services. Frequencies, L5 and S band. Applications include terrestrial and marine navigation, disaster management, vehicle and tracking. Okay, GIS accuracy, errors and enhancement techniques. Sources of GPS errors: ionosphere delay, signals low as they pass through ionosphere, error 5 meter. Tropospheric delay, atmospheric reflection near Earth surface, error 0.5 meter. Multipath error, signals reflect off buildings, terrain before reaching receiver, error 1 to 5 meter. Clock error, satellite and receiver clock inaccuracies, error 1 meter. Ephemerics error, inaccuracies in broadcast satellite orbit data, error more or less less than 1 meter. SA selective ability, intentional USDOD accuracy degradation, cancel 2000, error 100 meter. Accuracy enhancement technique, differential GPS, DGPS, reference station with known position, sense correction to nearby receivers, accuracy 0.1 to 3 meter. SBAS, satellite based augmentation, EG was USA, Gagan India, EG NOS, European Union, sense corrections via geostationary satellites. Gagan India, GPS ADS GEO augmentation navigation, India's SBAS covers India's airspace, developed by ISRO plus AAI. Precise point positioning PPP, signal receiver with precise satellite orbit and clock products, accuracy CM level globally. RTK real-time kinematic, base plus rover setup, transmit corrections in real-time, accuracy 1 to 2 cm, used in construction and cadastral service. Multi-constellation GNSS. Using GPS, GLONASS plus Galileo plus Navic simultaneously improves accuracy and reliability. Okay, these are some practice questions. The minimum number of GPS satellites required for a 3-dimensional position fix is correct answer option number B, 4. The master control station of GPS is located at Silver AAB, Colorado. India's regional navigation satellite system is known as NAVIC, IR, and SSS. GPS satellites orbit Earth at an altitude of approximately 20,200 km MEO. The technique that uses reference station with known coordinates to improve GPS accuracy is called differential GPS. That means GPS, DGPS. Okay, key receiving points for UGC NET purpose. GPS has 24 to 31 satellites in MEO at more or less 20,200 km altitude in 6 orbital planes in England at 55-degree orbital period, 12 hours. Space, 2 signal frequencies, L1 1575.42 MHz for civilian CA code and L2 1227.6 MHz for military P code. Control 3 components: master control station, monitor station, and ground antennas. Control MCS calculates ephemeris and clock corrections, upload navigation messages to satellite twice daily. GPS receivers are passive, they only receive signals and never transmit unlimited simultaneous users. Receiver minimum post satellites for 3D fixed latitude, longitude, and altitude. Trilateration, not triangulation, is the calculation method. NAVIC, India's NAVIC, IR, NSS, 3GO and 350 synchronous satellite, total 8 satellites. Regional coverage, India plus 1,500 plus kilometer, developed by ISRO. Gagan is equal to GPS aided GEO augmentation navigation. India's SBAS developed by ISRO plus AAI, used for aviation. Error, selective availability, SA was intentional GPS accuracy degradation by USA, permanently switched off in May 2000. DGPS, differential GPS, DGPS uses a base station with known position to transmit real-time correction, accuracy more or less than 3 meter. Okay, GNSS, Global Navigation Satellite System, umbrella term for all satellite navigation systems, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BADO, and NAVIC. Trilateration, geometric techniques using distance from 3 plus known points satellites to determine a receiver exact position. DGPS, differential GPS technique using a fixed reference station to improve positional accuracy to sub-meter level. CA code, course acquisition code, publicly available civilian GPS signal on L1 frequency, accuracy 5 to 115 meter. PNT, positioning, navigation, and timing. The 3 core services provided by GPS to users. RTK, real-time kinematics, GPS technique providing centimeter level accuracy using carrier phase measurements. MEO, medium Earth orbit, altitude of 1,000 to 35,000, 2,000 to 35,786 km. GPS satellite orbit at 20,200 km in MEO. Ephemeris, precise orbital data broadcast by GPS satellites, telling receivers where each satellite is in space at any given time. SBAS, satellite-based augmentation system, uses geostationary satellites to broadcast corrections. Example: Gagan, AWAS, EG NOS. P code, precision code, encrypted military GPS signal on L1 and L2, accuracy less than 1 meter, also called Y code when encrypted. NAVIC, navigation with Indian constellation, India's indigenous GNSS, primarily IR NSS, operated by ISRO. Gagan, GPS aided GEO augmented navigation, India's SBA system developed jointly by ISRO and AAI for aviation. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.